The whole manifold's moving. It's not these loose bolts, it's the whole manifold, the whole thing.
How about that?
So that's a good thing we're putting a new manifold on it. This bike probably will be twice as powerful when we get done with it.
Damn.
On this 2020, we've got some serious temperatures kicking. 400, 376. The normal operating temperature on this one is 320. It should be down here around 272.
Yeah, 220, 221, whatever it takes.
Here's another screen on this one. If you'll notice, this is pretty much normal operating temperature, and the ThunderMax hadn't made any changes there. This is way hot, and the ThunderMax is making adjustments up there and down below. 180 degrees, this is just warm up. It just bypasses the normal operating temperature and this is where it lives. So we're gonna make some adjustments on that after the intake manifold is installed and the seals are replaced. All right, we've got a white 2020 model here, and the intake was very, very loose, the whole thing. I think I've showed where operating temperatures are way above normal. The normal operating temperature on this one is 320. It should be down here around 272. So we are going through here and cleaning surfaces as best we can on all the components. Going back in with new O-rings and a new S&S aluminum intake manifold. This bike already had 7.3 injectors, so we don't need to do anything with that. So as soon as the manifold gets here, we'll go ahead and install it, crank it up, and get the map straightened out for this thing so it can run cooler and better.